When I say it is freezing out here, it is freezing. Good morning, ladies. How are y'all doing? I'm glad y'all get to see how noisy they are, because one thing they are noisy. It is slippery in here. I don't know how this thing got wet, but it did. Look at them chase me. Piling in there with me, making it hard for me to get out. I promise they do this every time. You see this, right? I'm struggling. I'm gonna make it though. There we are. Man, it is too cold to be out here. But we're gonna get this done. Now, right here, I'm adding barley to the feeders. And if you're curious, this barley is by Scratch and Peck Feeds. There it is, you see it. Here they go, chasing me again. I promise it's hard not to trip. It's time for me to get up and out. Ew.